Oh my goodness, she's gonna go get it. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, look at him go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Where'd he go? Whoa. Where is he? Where is he? Oh.
Wow, we got a show out of it.
I know.
Look at him.
Where is he? Where is he? Oh, there's his face. He's coming up for a breath.
He came up for some.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, look at that guy. Yeah. I've never seen this elephant do this before. Oh, look at him. Swimming. Look at him. Aw. He is a big guy.
Wow. He's looking for some more. He's smelling around for it. He goes, oh, over there.
Whoa.
Look at him. Maybe turn around and swim. He's also going.
Look at the elephant.
Wow. So cool, guys. I've never seen an elephant swim before in real life. Look at him. Whoa.
That's like the most action I've ever seen.
Wow, those people over there. Like a face shot.
Oh, it looks like he got one. Hey, Grandma, does he open his eyes underwater?
You can smell it. Wow.
Oh, he's gonna come close to us.
Okay, I'll come over here.
Look at him.
He's like,
Oh. Whoop, there he goes. Whoa. He squirted water out of his nose. Oh, look at his face, Henry. Oh my goodness, look at him.
Everyone took up the fence. The entire fence is full.
Yeah, everyone wants to see an elephant. This is pretty rare, Henry. I've never seen this before.
I've only seen elephants walk.
Yeah, same. Man, look at that big butt.
Now he's doing me like.
Oh, it's his head, actually. Whoa, whoa! There's a lot. Wow. He's having fun now.
I love my bananas.
Oh my word.
What a showman.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, look, he's
Tell him
telling
what
us.
to do.
Oh, keeper.
What is that?
Some kind of, oh, he's got to turn around, I think.
See, he was telling him to do some tricks, and then he'll give him some more.
Well, they learn tricks because they get food for it.
I get
so
that
they know it.
banana.
Here he comes. Like, give me that banana. Give me that banana.
Wow, you guys, this is so cool.
What banana does he have?
See, he's
We
giving
got
him
the
leaves.
organ. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Yay!
Crazy. The Oregon Zoo.
Oh, that's in a banana.
We did not know.
Like, oh, before.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, there he goes.
He can eat it whole.
I'll make this a Wild Ones video.
Watch that banana.
Do you see that banana right there? That yellow floaty thing?
yeah. Oh my goodness, look at him. He's so cute. He's huge, actually.
Oh, just so you know, those are bananas.
Ah, whoa, here he comes, Henry. Whoa, oh my goodness, he's gonna pop out of the water in a minute.
Uh-oh. He might fly.
That'd be funny. Whoa! Wow, this is so crazy. Oh my
Look, do you
goodness.
see that banana piece?
He's digging for them all, isn't he? Big little puppy dog in the water, huh?
Hey, they're brown bananas. No, that's
We got here
poop.
right at the right time.
No, those are not brown bananas. Yeah, it's definitely gonna make it into a video. It's cool.
Whoa, he's double skipped.
How exciting is this? Look at this. We're watching them
Wow.
eat bananas.
Henry, you'll probably never see anything like this again. I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah, I've never seen it ever
Wow.
either.
Like, I'm,
Never hear when this happens.
no. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Whoa!
Yeah, here you go.
They're such social animals.
My goodness. This is amazing. And there's a little snout going around. Wow. Elephants are so cool.
Worth a trip right here.
For sure. I'll bonk him in the head.
Is that okay?
It's so funny when he went in. I'm like, oh,
Wow. Look at him go.
he's going to perform and put on a show.
Okay, do some more tricks.
There he
Wow, look
goes.
at him swimming.
Whoa.
Look how long he is.
I don't think
He's like, I'm done.
I think he's all done. He's full.
I'm done with the water.
Woohoo!
Good job, elephant. That was awesome.
Let's watch him walk out. Maybe he's not done yet. Oh, see? Oh boy, here he comes. He's playing. Oh my goodness. Ooh, sorry about the fingers. This is just so cool. Wow.
get down. What?
Oh my goodness, you see him feed himself? That's so cool. Man, oh man. He's got that whole pool to himself. Look at that big nose.
I hope he squirts water at us. That'd be cool.
Oh, yeah, not very cool. Okay, he's trying to grab it.
Whoa, he's just playing.
Whoa!
Right over here. You can get it right over here.
Oh my goodness, he's right there. Hello. Wow.
It's so close. There's food over here.
Okay. He's looking, he's like, did I miss any?
Guys, there's one there. There.
Henry and Leo, look at me. Leo, look at me. Leo, look at.
Are you done filming?
I am filming. I still want a picture. It's so
I wonder
cool.
if he's going to... I think he's going to...
I think he's refilling on food.
Okay, give me that food. I can smell it. Give me that food.
Well, he put on quite a show, didn't he?
I think he's gonna get some more. Oh my
Got an apple in
goodness.
his hand? Oh, he's going to turn
He's
over.
gonna lay down. Look at that nose. My goodness. There he goes.
Maybe he's going to do another trick.
Gosh, I've never seen anything like this before.
Even in a circus, they don't do this.
I know. My goodness. Oh, he got one. He's gonna go get it.
I wonder if he's going to splash for us. Do this. He's going to get the apple.
I wonder if this was planned or if they just kind of started feeding him.
Well,
I didn't feel like a showtime or anything. I think they're just feeding him.
maybe let's just feed him and then...
Yeah, so cool. Oh, whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh,
He's like, do it again, do it again.
he's so cute.
He's got to do his feet. Watch his feet.
Whoa, whoa. Aw, I love elephants.
He's so cute. He says, I'll do what you want for an apple.
Wow, look at this guy. Aw. Hello. Wow, he is so big.
You've been doing so many tricks. You are very lucky today.
Here he goes.
See the giraffes? Okay.
Oh my goodness, Henry, that was so cool. Say thank you. Thanks for the show, guy. Hope you enjoyed your fruit. Wow, look at him go. Look how big he is. Oh my goodness. He's gonna go peaceful. Ooh, that's Samson the elephant. Leo and Henry, that was Samson the elephant.
All right, let's go. That was amazing.
Oh, you're like an elephant now. I, in my entire life, have never seen that before. It was so, so cool. There's the elephant who did the show for us. Where? Right there.
Over near the Black Poles and under Ledeni is the home of our
He's following
California
us.
condors.
He's so cute.
These highly endangered birds haven't been seen